say it louder. Who do you want to see? And how do we get to go see them? You have to fly up high in the sky, don't we?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
You want to see them tomorrow? And go fly to see them tomorrow?
No, now.
Now?
Mm.
Oh, you really want to see them, don't you?
Mm.
They're fun, aren't they?
They're awesome. Go, go, go. I'm going to get this mustard on my